Hey, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. That's all my social media where you can find me. And this is the June 2017 box. That's right, another throwback. Because I have all these boxes that I procrastinated in unboxing. And so here we are. I figure I'll be caught up sometime by 2019. So anyway, this is the June 2017 Birchbox. The theme is Face the Day, and it's all about shedding those layers as the weather gets warmer, which it's actually getting spring-like here in Chicago. So, hey, maybe I can apply the principle here. Let's get into the box and talk about the products. So, hey, it is the June 2017 Birchbox. It's Face the Day. And here's what I love about Birchbox. They have a little sheet that has all the products on it. Benefits of the products, highlights about what's in them, and how much the full-size product is. So this says, summer's so close we can almost taste it. Face the Day. So it's supposed to help you feel summery. Which, hey, is cool because it's March in Chicago, so let's feel like it's summer. So we have the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. It is oil-free. I love Estee Lauder foundation, however, it's often, like, it's not my go-to, but sometimes it ends up being a little too peachy, which you can't see. There you go, because of my lighting. But it always has this very unique smell to it. Like, I can't place my finger on it. It smells. It's not a bad smell. It's weird. It reminds me of my grandmother. And then we have Mellow Cosmetics. It's liquid lip paint. It's a brown nude. The color name is Tehran, like in Iran. There you go. It's like brown nude. It's a matte. So, there's that. Then we have the, I never know if it's Oribe or Oribe, but it's a dry texturizing spray. I love texturizing sprays. Sometimes I'll put my hair up in messy buns and then put texturizing spray in it and then pull it out. And then I've got all these like weird beachy waves going on. So that's fun. This is one of my favorite products of all time. It is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. You put it on under the foundation. It is incredible. Sometimes, if I'm having a really good skin day, I'll go out with just this primer on my face. That's how incredible this product is. And then finally, Wilma Schumann's European Skincare. It's hydrating collagen eye pads. Have you ever seen like the people wearing the eye pads under their eyes? I forget who was. Oh, I think it was like Brandy Glanville on Celebrity Big Brother. Yeah, she always had little things. That's what these are. You put them in the fridge. Well, some of them you can put them in the fridge. Some people don't. I do. I like to because you get that cooling effect. You put them under your eyes, and they make them less puffy and everything. So that is the June 2017 box. This is where to find me, and I will see you next time.